Introducing the Irvinei, the most advanced and innovative smart home and security doorbell system powered by artificial intelligence. It's like having a brain for your home, enabling it to act as your bodyguard and personal assistant. Irvinei is social media powered. Connecting your social media profile will enable Irvinei to recognize your friends, foes, or in-laws, so you'll always be in control of who enters your home.
You can have a two-way call, voicemail, or text conversation with whoever comes to your door without ever having to open it. So when I want to Netflix and chill, I could answer the door without ever leaving the couch.
Hello, neighbor.
Go away! I'm busy! Irvinei also logs all of the visitors to your home, enabling it to identify the type of visitor, such as your neighbor,
You home?
delivery guy,
Deliver it.
stranger,
Hello.
or that naughty little kid next door, Billy.
With rising crime rates and new threats emerging every day, it's vital to have security within your home to protect your loved ones. But why stop at home security? With the advancement of today's technology, our vision of what a home should be goes much further. Irvinei sends security alerts to help keep you alert of people who are welcome to your home and those who are unwanted. Which was perfect for getting my ex-wife to stop stalking me. Hey Irvinei, turn on the sprinklers.
The security alerts aren't just limited to crazy ex-wives who have no place in my home. They can also alert you to eavesdroppers, burglars, Billy's dog pooping on our lawn, or my child running away from home! Not Billy's dog pooping again. You could even be the neighborhood narc and send the security footage that Irvinei captures to the police or HOA. Other Irvinei alerts include an unwanted person visiting your home, weapon detection, fire detection in case a fire breaks out in your home or surrounding area. Ensure a safe neighborhood through the neighborhood feature. Also, the parcel delivery feature in case packages arrive in your absence. Undetected vehicle entering your zone, or an animal trespassing your territory.
Irvinei has a cloud-based neighborhood watch system. All the neighborhood updates will be uploaded to the cloud so that you and your neighbors can be aware of what's happening at all times. Oh, look, my wife's trying to kill Billy again. Oh, that Billy.
Irvinei is compatible with a variety of cameras and smart home appliances, such as light bulbs, thermostats, refrigerators, window blinds, and much more. And you can command it with the sound of your voice. Irvinei, turn off lamp.
Hey, Irvinei, tell Mommy I can't fall asleep.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. You can change the display theme on the Irvinei to express your personality. You can change it to holiday-themed backgrounds, your kid's drawing you don't want to hang on your fridge, or even your favorite TikTok video.
Express yourself! Now for some nerdy stuff. The touchscreen doorbell camera features a 160-degree field of view HD camera with HDR, night vision, and the ability to record 24 hours a day and 7 days a week.
Be careful, guys! With Irvinei's quick and easy setup, smart monitoring for cloud storage, security alerts, fingerprint and security access, and compatibility with most companies' cameras, it's a device that'll give you the peace of mind and comfort you deserve.
Empowering you to express yourself and protect what matters most. Make your home safe and smart. Discover Irvinei today.